Let's learn how to install CodiumAI and generate tests in VSCode. In your VSCode, click on the Extensions button and search for CodiumAI. After the installation, open any Python, JavaScript, or TypeScript file and click on the Generate Tests button above a class or a function. You will be asked to log in with your GitHub or Google account. Choose your preferred login option, click the Open Browser button, log in with your account, and return to VSCode once you're done. Now you can use CodiumAI. Click on the Generate Tests button above any function or class. Or choose any function or class from CodiumAI left panel. Or select the code snippet you want to test, right-click on it and choose the Generate Tests option. Review the generated tests. Enhance your test code by chatting with our Test GPT model. Give it instructions in natural language. Add your custom test by providing a test name and an objective, and the Test GPT model will generate the test code for you. Get a different version of a test code simply by clicking Reflect and Regenerate button inside the test. Remove the tests you don't need. When you're happy with your test suite, save it to file.